kasi mag-spend kami ng weekend sa Chicago. So hanap lang kami ng parking dito kasi dala namin sasakyan namin, then iiwanan lang namin for 3 days. After namin mag-park, pupunta na kami sa loob ng airport kasi ang flight namin ay 6:30 AM. So 1 hour and a half papunta sa Chicago. At mag-enjoy kami doon weekend. So wala kaming work. Kaya we decided na magpunta ng Chicago. While waiting ako sa husband ko, na doon siya na kumukuha ng ticket namin. Video muna tayo. Sa maliit lang na airport na ito. So punta na tayo sa ating gate. At nakuha na ng asawa ko yung pass namin.
You're going to have a blast, let alone outstanding flight attendants. Whatever you need, let them know. They're going to do everything they can do to accommodate your needs. Once you do get airborne, they'll get that beverage cart pushed through, something to quench your thirst if you're not sleeping. Some of those so crunchy, not to be confused with stale airline cookies, and anything else they can do to make this a great flight for you. Should you have any questions, let them know. Between all of us, we'll figure it out for you. I'm going to suspect that some of you have connecting flights out of Chicago and you're starting to sweat. That's all right. That's normal and you should. If it's an American or American partner carrier.
After na-announce may captain, sa tingin mo tayo sa labas ng pintana, sa view, sa labas ng plane. Ayan, maganda yung ano nyo, hindi maulan ngayon, so maganda yung panahon. So akala ko yan ay snow. Ulap lang pala. So habang tayo nalipad sa Himpapawid, syempre mayroon silang free snacks. Ano yan, pretzel na maalat. So nandito na tayo sa Chicago. Ka-landing na tayo. Ang asawa ko ay dati nag-aral dito nung kabataan niya. So gusto niya akong matagal niya na ako gustong dalhin dito para pakita ko ang itsura ng city. Kaya since weekend at wala kaming pasok, decided na pumunta kami. Pa-landing na tayo. Nakalimutan namin magdala ng medicine para sa headache baka sakali pag naglakad, sumakit ang ulo, so bibili muna kami dito. And after namin bumili ng medicine, so nandito kami sa kuhanan ng tingit na train. So ito ay $5. Kung kayo ay pupunta dito sa Chicago, guys, so kumuha lang kayo ng passes. So binayaran namin ay $5 each. So 24 hours mo siyang magamit mo siya sa trains at saka sa bus. So mas affordable na siya kaysa mag Uber ka o mag taxi dito. Nandito na nga kami sa loob ng train, guys. Sasabi ng husband ko, maybe 1 hour yung aming biyahe papuntang downtown. So habang tayo nagbiyahe, let's enjoy the view.
Downtown NUIC Halsted.
Time for breakfast.
Hanap lang kami ng mga kainan. Kami nagugutom na mag-asawa bago kami dumiretso sa hotel. So after ng train, mag-bus tayo para pumunta sa mga restaurant dito. Siyempre, sabi ko nga, yung ating passes na $5 ay magagamit natin either sa train or sa bus. So affordable talaga siya for 24 hours. So nakakita na kami ng kakainan. So dito tayo, pumasok lang tayo dito. Parang gusto ko ng pancake ngayon. So pasok tayo, maghanap lang tayo ng pepestuhan. Sabi ng asawa ko, kinakainan daw niya ito nung siya ay nag-aaral dito. Kaya tikman natin yung pinagmamalaki niyang breakfast restaurant.
Good morning.
What would you like to drink? We have strawberry banana.
That's what I'm thinking too.
Yeah, and that's why you gotta be, you know.
Magtingin lang tayo ng ating kakainin, guys. So, nag-serve na sila ng coffee. Ang coffee dito ay unlimited. What?
Could you do that back here in Chicago?
What's your surrounding? Maybe your ex is here.
What?
What's your surrounding? Maybe your ex is here.
Oh, I've been here
We're
before.
gonna say,
My mom and
hello.
Noreen, actually. Noreen and Kara, we came here. Kara used to live in Chicago.
And this, did you eat
We
here?
ate here before. Alright.
So, ito yung unang binigay sa amin na order namin.
Okay, well, I'll give you a call
Yan,
later on, okay?
Hindi ko alam kung
I just wanna
anong
make sure you found the
tinapay
key.
yan. But this one, the other one, that's blueberry smoothie. So ito guys, kain na tayo. Thank you.
You can
So ito yung aking order, scrambled fajitas with chicken. Ayan. Scrambled. Bantu sigan lang. After namin kumain, so nandito ulit kami, nag-aabang ulit kami ng train papunta sa aming final destination na aming hotel. So waiting lang muna tayo. So kami mga sa lamig na lamig dito. Ang Chicago po ay tinatawag nila na Windy City. So malamig talaga dito kahit hindi pa nag-snow kasi yung hangin niya kakaiba. At saka yung train station nila dito, yung waiting area nila, merong heater. Meron silang heater sa bawat parang shade nila. Shade. May heater sila. Diba? I'm gonna hide.
Doors closed. Welcome aboard Ground Line Run 426. Armitage is next. Doors open on the right at Armitage. Soliciting and gambling are prohibited on CTA vehicles.
Babay muna guys. Enjoy muna natin yung view dito sa gilid ng train habang kami nagbibiyahe. So see you next time.